Grivix.shop is marketed as an online store offering a variety of products at heavily discounted prices, often featuring eye-catching deals and limited-time promotions. The prices can look tempting, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every new or lesser-known online store is a scam. Some retailers genuinely offer competitive pricing. However, it's important to do your research before placing an order. What it does well: wide product selection. The store may offer products across multiple categories, giving shoppers plenty of choices. Competitive pricing. Large discounts can make many items appear to be excellent value, where the hype falls apart. Deep discounts aren't always a bargain. Extremely low prices can sometimes be a sign to look more closely at the product quality and the retailer's reputation. Product quality may vary. The item you receive may not always match the photos or descriptions on the website. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before ordering, review the delivery times, refund policy, and whether return shipping costs are your responsibility. So, should you buy from Grivix.shop? Short answer: maybe, but proceed with caution. If the product has positive independent reviews and the store has clear contact information and fair return policies, it may be worth considering, but don't rely solely on the discounts or promotional claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.